Alright folks, this morning we're at Fall Creek Falls State Park. This is Cane Creek Cascades behind me, located at the old Bickford Mill site, just above Cane Creek Falls, located over my right shoulder. This is bar none one of my favorite state parks that I've ever been to. If you haven't been here, I highly recommend it. There are several bucket list waterfalls in this park, including the tallest this side of the Colorado Rockies, Fall Creek Falls, which is 256 feet tall. There's over 6 waterfalls in the park. The place has some of the best camping. It even has a golf course. If you haven't been here, I highly recommend it.